So these days we see a lot more people fitting what are called combi boilers.
That's right.
How does that affect their shower?
It doesn't affect the shower as such. You probably need a little bit of history on showers. When showers came about, probably the first ones to come about was the electric showers, which we still fit, by the way, but they're not the mainstay. And then we came along with power showers. Now this is where you had a separate twin pump normally fitted in the bottom of the airing cupboard, and from that we would run up to a mixing valve in the showering area. That's absolutely fine. There's a cost implication. So then the manufacturers decided to bring out an integral power shower. In actual fact, they produce just as much water at a fraction of the installation cost, so they win hands down. And then into the 90s and where we are today, combis came about. Now a combi boiler generates its own heat as it goes along, so that if you look at two showers, you get a power shower which gives you quite a lot of water at a nice flow rate at a nice temperature. A combi will give you the same, but the flow rate is generally just a little bit down, so it doesn't make a great deal of difference. It's the type of valve we use nowadays. So a combi is a very good heat source.